Hi, do you have a retirement plan? Regardless of your age or when you plan to retire, there are four essential plans that you need to put in place if you desire to live a happy, peaceful, and wealthy retirement life. The transition plan, the wealth building plan, the healthy and fit for life plan, and the wisdom plan. In a world full of economic uncertainties, what plan do you have in place to enable you retire from your job or business happy, secure, free from financial worries? Hi, my name is Bibi and I am the retirement queen. My job is to help you build retirement wealth. I have prepared a short video presentation where I share how you can retire young, retire happy, retire healthy, and retire wealthy. Let me show you how to use the four essential plans I develop for my paying clients to help you prepare for a happy, peaceful, flourishing, and rich retirement. This will help you retire healthy, wealthy, and wise. Click on the Learn More button to get access to this free webinar. I look forward to seeing you inside. Thank you.